Okay, let's go. Hi, I'm here with two friends. Ciao, welcome in Italy. No, it's okay, it's okay. I just met these two friends from China, exactly from Shanghai, so that I remember where I was living there. It was amazing. So, why are you here in this show today?
Okay, because we are two students and we are exchange students from XXII University in Shanghai, and now we are studying in Politecnico di Torino. And this year, several projects from our XXII University has been exhibited here, so we are come here to see whether we can help, and we'd like to learn from learn from those other projects and see some maybe something that we can learn, communicate, and yes, and maybe what people are focused on the design period.
Okay. Did I ask you the names or just the conversation starts very fluently? Can I know your names, please?
Okay, I'm Chen.
Chen?
And Hannah.
Okay, nice to meet you. So, what do you like the most in this show?
Actually, we have just watched one project here, so and you asked us to be here, so we haven't finished all the exhibitions.
Ah, okay.
Hard to say.
We're gonna walk a little bit together. I'm gonna have to shoot a little bit more, but it's okay. Okay. Thank you for your thoughts and your visit here, and say hello to Shanghai from me. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Bye.